Good morning. I'm doing another miscellaneous haul. I went to several places, a farmer's market, to Shoprite, Stop and Shop, and CVS, and I spent a total of $57, basically, and some change. And I got $10 back in Catalina's to spend next time at Shoprite, and I gained a $2 extra care box to spend at CVS. So let's get started with CVS. My total here was $3.53, and I bought these. I had a coupon, and I used one in extra care box that was going to expire, so that came out to that amount, and I got $2 back for buying 3. Stop and Shop. I went to Stop and Shop, and I spent, let's see, $1.25. Then I spent $6.83, but I got $3 back, so it was $3.83. And I spent $11.11, but I got $3.25 back, so it was $7.86 there. So I bought these were buy one get one free, and then Ibotta had a rebate for 75 cents back on each. So I bought a bunch of these mozzarella cheddar ones and 2 of the cheddar Asadero ones. And if you watched, I just put up a cook with me video for turkey chili with kale in it, and this would have been great to top my chili with. So these will go into the freezer as stock, and I bought 2 of the Adwala. These came out to be basically 50 cents each with coupons. I bought 4 of the Mango Tango as well, and my boys will drink that up very quickly. We had no cereal left in the house, so I've been looking for some good deals. I ended up getting, this is not the best deal, but we really needed cereal. I bought 3 of these Raisin Bran with bananas. That's new. Someone has gotten into it. I don't know who, but I don't know if it tastes good or not. We'll see. And then I bought a regular Raisin Bran. The deal was if you bought 4 of the certain types of cereal, you could get $3 off milk. So this was $3.29, and $3 off, it made it 29 cents. So basically that was that for Shoprite. I'm sorry, Stop and Shop. Shoprite, I spent $5.16, but I got $1 back, so it was $4.16. This one I spent $5.26, but I got $2.50 back, so it was $2.76. And this one I spent $15.07 on. Again, I gained 2 $5 rebates, or not rebates, Catalinas that I can spend next time when I go back to Shoprite. These were free with coupons and digital coupons. These were 49 cents each because they were $1.49. I had $1 off each coupon, so I bought 4 Thai lime rice and 4 organic brown rice. Now, the unit price per pound for rice, this is not a great deal if you're going by poundage. However, you know, for what this is, I thought this was a pretty decent price to put into the stockpile, and it's great as a very quick side dish and you can just microwave it, so it's very, very easy. So on those nights where everyone's like either tired or super busy, here's a good thing. I had a rain check, so with coupons, these were free. I had a super coupon that was 99 cents. This was on sale this week. It was a really good sale. I like this kind of beef, and I tend to buy it. It comes in 1-pound packages, so I bought 3. You buy 3 of them, and they were $8.97. That's the best price I've seen, because I see them on sale for 3 for $11.97, and sometimes 3 for $14.97. So this was an excellent stock up. I might actually go back for some more of that. So I put that in the freezer. I bought 3 light coconut milks and 3 regular coconut milks. This was a splurge. This was Growing Roots Cocoa Chipotle, organic corn and seed clusters. So we'll see what that's like. That was $2.99 on sale, and there was a rebate for $1.50. These were free with coupons and with a rebate. So I guess in the same Catalina machine, you know how you get coupons that pop out of that little machine? My first coupon was $2 off one, and I had a digital for $1 off, so that made these 99 cents, but then the rebate was for $1, so it was free. So I have 2 free ones of that, and I haven't tried that either. That's a new product to us. 99 cents for potatoes. These were still $1.49 on sale. Then I had a $3 coupon, or maybe it was $2 coupon. No, I think it was 3. Anyway, they came out to $1.47 for all 3 of them, and these were free movies on this. So I have 3 free movies from Redbox, which is good. I bought 4 of these Evu pink salmon, and I can't remember the cost of them off the top of my head, but they were a good sale. I didn't have any coupons, but I decided to get some of these. I like to put them on, just tear it open and put it on salad with some veggies and maybe a little bit of salad dressing or hummus. I had a rain check for these, so I got 2 of those for free with coupons. This was 99 cents for the coupon. I had coupons and there were sales and the Catalina, so I bought 2 of the lentil soup and 4 of these crushed tomatoes. I got a $5 Catalina. Then I did it again, and I got chicken and wild rice soup, 2 of those, another 4 of those, and then ended up getting another Catalina. So that's that. That's for Shoprite. And then for my farmer's market, which I like to visit, we didn't need a ton of stuff, so I didn't get a ton, but I spent $18.98. You can see the prices here. These were 99 cents each. This was $1.59. That was 99 cents. I forget the price off the top of my head. These were in the markdown area, so this was $1 and this was $1. So I will definitely have to use these up quickly, these 2 things quickly. But that's what I like about this place, is that they have, you know, this huge bag for $1 and huge bag for $1, so that's good. I think we'll be having green beans very soon. Wild arugula, I bought 2 of those, and 2 baby spinach, another lacinato kale bunch, and 3 cucumbers. So that was it for that. So that was the entire haul for $57 and some change. Again, with $10 back to spend at Shoprite and $2 back to spend at CVS. So I hope you enjoyed the haul. Let me know any comments, questions you have. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and let me know if you like these hauls and if it's helpful to you. All right, thanks. Bye.